Welcome to the Manufactured Housing Division. In our continued effort to promote self-compliance through education, this video will explain how to report a manufactured home installation. Let's start off by looking at the reporting requirements. For each installation completed, the installer must submit a notice of installation with the required fee to the department no later than 7 days after which the installation is completed, but not later than 3 days for installers with a provisional license. Now, this reporting can be accomplished two different ways. It can be filed electronically from our website, or it can be manually filed with a hard copy. In this video, we will show you how to file it with a hard copy. The first thing you need to do is obtain the Notice of Installation form, also known as the Form T. To do this, go to the department's website at www.tdhca.state.tx.us and click on the blue Manufactured Housing tab. Go to the left side of the page under Division Links and click on the License Holders link. Scroll down to the heading Other Forms for License Holders and click on the Form T Notice of Installation. If you have a provisional license, you need to click on the Provisional Form T Notice of Installation link. Once you've clicked on the appropriate link, it will take you to the Notice of Installation form, also known as a Form T. It is important that you fill out every blank on the form. Failure to do so may delay the filing of the form, and remember that you are on a timeline to submit a completed application. Common omissions that we see are the physical address of the home and the installation date. One common misconception that we often hear is that a notice of installation does not need to be filed if you're only releveling a manufactured home. This is not true. A notice of installation must be filed anytime you install, reinstall, relevel, or make any minor adjustments to the installation of a manufactured home. You must also select the installation method to which the home is being installed. New homes must be set to either the manufacturer's instructions or to a special foundation system approved by an engineer. Used homes can also be installed to these methods, but may also be set to state generic standards or a stabilization system registered with the department. Be sure to sign and date the second page of the form. A reporting fee must be sent in with the form. The fee is $75 for the first section of the home and $25 for each additional section. So $75 for a single wide, $100 for a double wide, and $125 for a triple wide. Mail the form and appropriate fee to TDHCA, Manufactured Housing Division, Attention Installations, P.O. Box 12489, Austin, Texas 78711-2489. If you have a provisional license, you must also send a copy of the Notice of Installation to the department's field office within 3 days of the installation to ensure a timely inspection may be conducted. This can be accomplished one of 3 different ways. You can fax a copy to 806-794-6876, or you can email a copy to mhfieldoffice@tdhca.state.tx.us, or you can mail a copy to 4413 82nd Street, Suite 200, Lubbock, Texas 79424-3366. Remember, this is in addition to mailing the original form and fee to the Manufactured Housing Division in Austin. This concludes our video on how to report a manufactured home installation using a hard copy. We hope it's been beneficial. If you have any questions regarding the reporting of installations or your responsibilities as an installer, please visit our website at www.tdhca.state.tx.us or give us a call at 877-313-3023. We look forward to serving you.